Back to school with Bigfoot. If you think you've got big back to school problems, let me tell you, mine are bigger. Because I am Bigfoot. And everything is bigger for me. Back to school shopping is an extra large job. Unfortunately, I am an extra large. A back to school haircut takes all day because I am all hair. And back to school shoes? Well, how do you think I got the name Bigfoot in the first place? My worries are bigger than that, though. What if the bus driver doesn't see me when she comes to pick us up? It could totally happen. What if I can't stand still for class pictures again? What if at lunch I make a mistake? The biggest mistake in the history of big mistake making. Gah! That's it. I quit. I can't go back to school this year. Bigfoot is out. Even if Miss Sierra Nevada is the best teacher in our school. Even if this year we get to study mythological creatures. Even if I won't get to see all my friends again. Gulp, my friends. We could do enormous art projects this year. We might go on humongous field trips. And we will have a tremendous graduation ceremony at the end. Everyone I love will be there. Okay, maybe, probably, most likely, I will go back to school this year. It's a big step, even for Bigfoot. But I'm taking it. The end.